She walks in the room and is it a dare? Christ, she's wearing you'd hope. There's something about the way her mouth is you. Her eye. Is it a dare? The way I follow her. Is it a dare? You wonder if you'll get there tonight. Is it a dare? Is it a dare? Your eyes. Your eyes. Is it where your mouth is a little open? Is it a dare? Is it a dare? Her face, her neck, her breasts, her stomach, her thighs, her mouth is a little. Your eyes.
what if there ain't a next time? This is a gift. Could've been down in a ditch, so I lift my hands in exaltation. I've been waiting with my faith intact, tasted on my tongue. Once you say it, you could make it happen. Your words and your actions acting as if one operation. I'm debating if I should make a statement. Can't make up my mind. God knows I've been patient, climbing up the vine. I was in the basement, naked, stripped down to the basics to understand the makeup. Many won't show face since one more hand and cake up. Gesturing their ways is underhanded shame, but they would still exchange the other hand and shake yours. They'll always take the upper hand with strangers who trying to say what. Next time at me, hope you happy with a day up. We going way up. If we don't got it, we can make some. If we don't got it, we can make some. If we don't got it, we can make some. If we don't got it, if we don't got it, we can make some.
허전한 내 주머니 속 이래저래 피곤한 내 손톱 밑에까지 커튼 활짝 열어야지
Excuse 궁금하지 않은 Excuse me Bottom heels 15년의 Tom Sawyer 이 우우 these women so loyal 잡기 없이 powder skin 안에 bone 외모는 다가 아닌 줄 알았지만 I guess that's the fun of it Excuse me The whole city on acid The whole city on shotgun 야근하더라 pass it Rip out the plastic Sex, money, power Sex, money, browser Crazy tits and short trousers Browsing up the big tunnels red I just don't wanna hurt nobody no more bounce back Stab my conscience Ask myself the same question over again 나 구분 없이 나에게 선사하는 건 증오뿐이야 관심이란 것은 상대적 관심이란 것은 파괴적 상징이란 것의 강제성과 사치 I just need a paper bag from a trap Off the rig, bitches I just don't Sex, money, pop You forgot where you started I don't give a shit about your problems 너의 꼼짝업은 그냥 child play 너의 팬들은 그냥 starving Cause all you do is curving For your shit to blow up And I don't think you deserve it 궁금하지 않은 가사들이 무지하게 나열 대놓고 남을 가는 가사를 안 쓰는 건 진작에 매뉴얼에서 포기 You forgot your mama's starving You forgot your mama starving Back home for no food for your college 안타까운 반 한심하고 대학을 때려치고 겨우 이거
200 years of rust on a gate. It wind up like a toy when the wind plays. Kid shit, she was blowing before the wind. Tell them Blowsy, tell them Blood Moon, tell them Low Fog, tell them Dirt Road with the rust mailbox at the turn off. Turn of the century, turn vogue of late, she feel fly. She cry out like a whisper in time they heard she got that spider web. That snake eye dripping, got that dust skin. The forked tongue licking for the scent. She said, come on, in the head though. Remember that woodshed somewhere in a memory that's way past dead though. Like the leaves are brown and the sky is gray and the dreams are shit and the mama ran away. Papa drank the gut black, he smoked the backwoods and now the woods call you back. The woods whisper off and wind in the underbrush, underskin, the earth crawling, all the touch. Back to the mouse, back to the snake, back to the root, back to the day, back to the fire, back to the way the wood burned, back when they told you she couldn't stay. The left looks right when the leaves break sun and it fall camo on moss so soft that you can't tell steps from breath. But they say she don't walk, she float. She float, folklore is a bitch, but the sun will be dipping soon below the ridge. And the boards on the bridge are unstable, at best in its ways dangerously irregular. Test for the village kids, but that's day though. And this night light ain't the same, so you got jokes. Oh, this a game? Okay, go cross. Wait, let the tapes roll. She bad though. Come and get your picture trick. She bad though. Can't see the forest through the trees. Everybody come to get them some, but don't nobody leave. Don't nobody leave. Do not move no leaf. She bad though. Blow before the breeze and before the ice freeze it all over. Come and see. Everybody come to get them some, but don't nobody leave. You brought squad to the coven. You got all the phones running, but no bars up on the hillside, long forgotten by the future. And the jokes flow real easy, and the whiskey is a booster. It's 200 years of rust on the gate. It's an unrelenting crunch underfoot. The leaves deep, the autumn left elm skeleton, still alive, skin and bone, lumino for the new approaching blood, remarking how beautiful. And the old cabin maintains a dilapidated charm. They call it rustic. Clothesline hanging across the yard. Probably shouldn't trust it. Though the sheets are worn, are they worn enough? That math doesn't add up. And she laughed like the wind, cuz that shit they don't ever think of. Kid shit, dinner talk, let them walk, let them enjoy mountain air. It's a breath, it's a gift, let them get more comfortable. Start a fire, have a smoke, take a drink, take a flick. What you see in the static when your eyes adjust. When you blink of an eye and your mind was dust. Did you make it outside or your eyes combust? Fire ain't give up no light, just left the powder the same color as 200 years of rust on a game. It bends heavy to hinge weak. Maybe some She bad though. Come and get your picture trick, she bad though. Can't see the forest through the trees. Everybody come to get them some, but don't nobody leave. Don't nobody leave. Do not move no leaf. She bad though, blow before the breeze. And before the ice freeze it all over, come and see. Everybody come to get them some, but don't nobody leave.
to this later. Hydrangea is just the password though, right? There's something substantive behind it, or for something else, though.
Why do you feel the need to say that?
I meant to say unblocked, but I think I said by accident on purpose. Interface is literally eating the world, right? I'm really not sure if it's possible to get more interfacial than putting something into your mouth. And